to the 5 years of Midnight Train extravaganza. And we are about to eat good. Thank you so much for being part of the journey. You guys made this album #1 for the last